My favorite class actually is we go canoeing and camping in boundary waters, and that's in May. It's an American wilderness class where we can talk about management and policy issues and also just camp out and enjoy the outdoors. My name is Mikhail Blinnikov and I'm a professor of geography. My main research focus is biogeography, so I focus on plant communities and change through time. And I use microscopic pieces of silica from plants called phytoliths, and you find them in lake sediments and caves and archaeological sites. And I study them under microscope, and then I can infer vegetation of the past. Geography offers a major and a minor, and we also have GIS minor, which is geospatial technologies, including exciting things like drones and satellite imagery analysis. And then we also have a graduate program, which is a Masters of Science in GIS. Yeah, so I brought this little car, which is a model 1:43 scale, made in the Soviet Union. So I grew up in Russia when it was Soviet Union, born in Moscow, and this was my toy when I was in like 7th grade, and we were collecting those cars. They're actually made in the Soviet Union, so they're very high quality. A lot of geography research is done both in the field and in the lab. So for the field component, some of it might be things like flying drones over an agricultural field and trying to measure signature from the plants. For me, it's also digging holes in the ground and collecting some sediment samples. For me, I'm Russian, I'd be a bear, brown bear, like grizzly in America, right? Why? Because you can hibernate and you don't have to worry about winter. You just sleep and then you eat and sleep and you wake up and it's spring. As a geographer, admittedly, I like our location on the Mississippi River in the very center of the state of Minnesota. I think it's extremely advantageous for us. We have great community all around. It's clean and safe. And it's easy access to the Twin Cities, and it's also easy access to kind of greater outdoors and Minnesota.